following message was transmitted at the request of the Chicago Health Department. This is a civil emergency message. Hospitals are experiencing a heavy amount of patients. The health department believes there is no danger, however this requires further study. The symptoms of this unidentified sickness include but are not limited to uncontrollable muscle movements, blacking out, craving the taste of inedible objects, and bleeding around the mouth, nose, or eyes. If you experience these symptoms, take these precautions to avoid spreading the sickness. Wear a surgical mask, wear gloves, attempt to not sneeze, and any other precautions that are possible. If you are infected, do not visit a hospital. Call your doctor. Have somebody drive you at all times, to prevent blacking out behind the wheel. Stand by for further updates, and prepare for a shelter-in-place advisory. We are WWMT, and we will continue to serve the Chicago area. The emergency alert system was activated to keep you informed. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. This is a law enforcement warning. Riots are taking place all throughout the city. The rioters have no demands, and aren't responding to pepper spray, batons, or tasers. It is advised to shelter in place, and defend yourself with any weapons you may have available to you. Deadly force is authorized. Take the following precautions to protect yourself and your family. Board all windows. Have weapons available to you. Set up traps, including but not limited to hunting traps and landmines. Once the emergency is over, remember to remove your traps. We are WWMT, and we will continue to serve the Chicago area. The emergency alert system was activated to keep you informed.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control. This is a contagious disease warning. Plan 888 has been activated by the United States Armed Forces. This is not a test. The CDC has found evidence the virus outbreak in Chicago is a zombie virus. The riots in Chicago have been reclassified as a zombie attack. Stay indoors. Do not go outside. The National Guard will put supplies in your mailbox once every week. Use deadly force against zombies and other intruders. It is possible that other species, such as birds and other pets, can be infected. If board up all windows and reinforce your door. Do not make your door impossible to exit, as you will need to open it for supply drops. Set up traps, however be careful, as you may injure or kill military personnel. We are WWMT, and we will continue to serve the Chicago area. The emergency alert system was activated to keep you informed.